decided to do an update version of the...
Okay, pause. So don't be talking about the back of my head, okay? Okay, thank you. I love you.
Photo backdrop that I did, a photo backdrop that I did, you know, not too long ago. I'm gonna put the video in the cards if you have not seen it. Okay, make sure you subscribe to Boo. Okay, don't just be watching me and everything, seeing my beautiful face and not subscribe. You already know what to do. Subscribe. Okay, thank you. Anyway, but this is what it looks like, you guys, and I'm so happy. I decided, something new, okay? I bought some ivory curtains, little drapes for both sides over here. And then I made, instead of having the flowers up on each side, I just decided to drape them on each panel of curtains and whatever. So, because when I did like this in the last video, I was kind of sad that, because I'm short, okay? I'm short. So I was sad that I was able to get the flowers in the frame with me, you know? So I did like this. I put the flowers this way because you're able to see the flowers in the frame. So, yeah. And I'm just so excited. It's so pretty. Look at it. Like, that's the top up there. And that's the bottom down there. It's so pretty. I really love it. So I'm excited. I just wanted to show y'all like an update version on it. And I just draped them, the flower, little garland. I just draped them, girl. And at the party, I'm going to make sure that I hot glue it or something so it can stay intact, like say put together and keep its life together while we over here getting stuff CDAT, okay? Follow me. Anyway, but yeah, so I'm happy with it. Like I told you, I really don't have my tripod anymore. But I mean, I do. It's just broke. So, but I'm showing you guys what it looks like further back. So, yeah. So I have my little light box, little lights right here. And I'm going to do a whole nother separate video on how I did all of this. I just wanted to make this video, but I already have it up and whatever. Because it didn't ding on me to record. Don't you just hate that?
Okay, pause again. This left side, I'ma work on that. Okay, so disregard that too. Okay, love y'all.
Don't you just hate that? YouTube was stop! Anyway, but I love these. And I want to get like 2 more sets of these, the same ones but longer in like lengthwise instead of width. Cause these are great, but my little stands right here, I made it taller just in case somebody come up in there and they like 6'7" or 6'10" or something. I feel like it's not gonna be possible, but you never know, child. You just never know. So I extended my my backdrop stands to the highest point where it can go. So therefore, these drapes are not longer. I mean, they're not long anymore. So I'm gonna have to buy some more. So yeah, it's always something, y'all. It's always something. But I love it though. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like back here. So yeah, but don't y'all love it? Ain't it so cute and bubblicious? I'm so excited. Let me see. I'm gonna show y'all. I don't have my phone secured, y'all, so if y'all drop, you just gonna drop. Nah, I'm playing because, you know, I love my baby. You know, I love y'all too. And this is what she would look like. You feel me? Like, for real, girl, I'm loving it. It's so pretty. But what I was saying, the other flowers were up right here, and it was coming down right here. and the other ones was coming down right here. It wasn't like rainfall, drip action, or flowers. You feel me? Don't be looking right here at my little bun right here and judging me and laughing at me. No. She's still cute, okay? Anyway, so I love it, you guys, and it's really pretty, and you're able to have more, you know, beautifulness in the photo. Because I was gonna do a photo booth, but yeah, that photo booth, baby, that would have been out of budget. I love this though. It's really pretty. Like, check me out, okay? But this is what it looks like, y'all. But you see what I'm saying? Like right there. Like that is longer than those two panels. So that's why I said I want to get longer panels. Because I feel like I'm OCD and that just look unprofessional right there. So that's why I want to get one. Because I mean, anybody else be like, oh girl, it'd be okay. It's going to be dark anyway. But no, I still want stuff to look professional, obviously. And what would Jesus do, okay? But this is what it looks like, you guys. And I just love it. It's just so pretty. It's so gorgeous. Then I have my softbox light right there. And over there, I had to make room because I don't feel like readjusting nothing else, yeah, because it's hard moving furniture, yeah. But anyway.
So, right here, I'm just trying to get me a good thumbnail, girl, because, you know, making thumbnails, baby, it's challenging, okay? Okay? So, just listen to my beautiful voice while I get y'all throughout this scene, okay? Okay.
So, this is what the setup would be like, you guys. So I would have my iPad. I would have my iPad right there with my tripod and my little softbox light on each side. And then that's where you would stand at in the middle with whoever else y'all want to do it with. You know what I'm saying? There you go. So, it would be like this and whatever. And I would just have to press my timer and do 3 seconds and then do this right here. And voila, girl, voila, la. Okay. Tell me she ain't clutched though. She looking real cute, boo. She looking very marvelous, cute, and fine. You looking good in them jeans. But anyway, I'm still, Anyway, but that's what I wanted to show y'all, little updates and whatever. I'm so excited about this because I could be a photographer, girl. I low-key could be a photographer. Just let me get my little photography camera equipment. And she will be on the road, but okay, like, y'all ain't ready for me. Okay, I'm about to change YouTube like that. Okay, like, y'all ain't ready for me. You is not ready for me, okay? If you love this video and like this video, if you watch this video, if you are breathing, subscribe. Because I love you and, you know, you're breathing. And I said if you're breathing, you got to subscribe so you can't break that. Or you're going to die. I'm just playing. But repeat after me. I swear to God that I will subscribe to Christy Morgan and become an official Boo Whiskey. Okay? You said it, so go ahead, hit the red button, girl. Bad day.